Jai Swaminarayan children. Today we will start with lesson number 4, that is more tools in MS Paint. Okay, you all have already learned MS Paint in class 2, right? Few of the tools you might have studied, that is oval tool, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, then how to draw star using star tool, right? MS Paint, what is MS Paint? MS Paint, it is a software where you can draw images, you can edit images or the pictures, you can even color them, right? You can draw different shapes, you can fill in the color inside those, right? Today let us first revise all the tools which you have studied in class 2, right? See, this is the toolbox which you can see on the screen. This is the shape toolbox. See, let us see all the shapes one by one. First is the line shape that is used to draw line. Curve shape, right? That curve tool that is used to draw curved lines. Next is oval tool. This that is used to draw oval shapes or circle shapes. Next we have rectangle tool to draw rectangle or square. Next is rounded rectangle, right? It doesn't have any pointed angles. It is round in the angles. So that is why it is called the rounded rectangle. You can draw rounded square or rectangle using this tool. Then you have the polygon tool, triangle, right angle triangle, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, down arrow. Next is four pointed star, 5-pointed star, 6-pointed star. These all are called callouts. Rectangle callout, rounded rectangle callout. This is oval callout, cloud callout, heart shape. This is called the lightning. Right? Okay, let us just draw each one of them. See, if I want to draw a line, I'll click on line tool like this and I'll draw a line in whichever side I want straight line or slipping line or slanting line, whatever I want. I'll just click, I'll not leave the point, I'll not take off my finger from the button. उसको बटन को प्रेस करके ही रखना है, जितना लंबा चाहिए उतना वहां तक लेके जाओ और फिर बटन को छोड़ दो माउस के and you'll be able to draw. Next is curve, see like this. Curve है, फिर इसको आप क्या करोगे? See, जहां से भी curve चाहिए, you just click on that and make a curve line. Right? This is how you make a curve line. Next you have is circle, that is oval tool. मुझे oval draw करना है, right? See, I can draw a circle, I can draw oval. With rectangle tool, I can draw a square, I can draw a rectangle, right? With rounded, ऐसा आएगा round में, right? Points नहीं आएंगे, rounded part होगा, right? The angles will be ऐसे smoothened, it will be round. Now, okay, let's see some stars. This is how you draw star like this, right? This is 5-pointed star, 4-pointed star, 6-pointed star, right? Like this. See, right? Today we will learn about pentagon tool, right? Pentagon tool. I'll show you how the pentagon tool works. Okay, first of all, what do you mean by pentagon? Right, pentagon, that means any closed figure which has 5 sides. 5 side वाले closed figure को बोलेंगे pentagon. See, I'll show you. This is the pentagon tool. Let us draw a pentagon. See, like this. How many sides does it have? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. So that is why 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. Right? Okay, so this is how you draw a pentagon. Okay, if I want to color it, so what I'll do? You have this fill tool. दिख रहा है आपको? Fill tool. Click on the fill tool. Whatever color you want, select the color. Suppose I want yellow color. I'll select the color and I'll click inside the figure. See, like this. This is how you color inside a shape. If I want to change the color, suppose I change my mind, I don't want yellow color and I want blue color. So what I'll do, I'll click on the blue color and click here. The color is changed, right? Understood? Okay, if I want the border color to be different, suppose मुझे yellow color के border का pentagon चाहिए. So what I'll do, I'll click the yellow color first, then I'll select the pentagon shape and then I'll draw yellow color pentagon. If I want to fill in the color, fill color, color. See, this is how you draw a pentagon shape and fill in the color inside, right? Okay. Next we have is color picker tool. What do you mean by color picker tool? Okay. In simple language, color picker tool, what does it do? It just copy pastes the color, right? Suppose, let's draw a figure. I'll draw a square. Okay. I'll color it using fill tool. Okay. I colored this using a fill tool, right? Okay. Now, I'm drawing one more shape. I'm drawing a circle shape. Now, I don't remember what color I took this, right? From where I took this color. I want the same color which the square is having to be colored inside the circle, right? मुझे याद नहीं है कि मैंने ये कलर कहाँ से लिया था. मुझे ये सेम जो स्क्वायर में जो कलर है वही मुझे सर्कल में सेम टू सेम कलर चाहिए. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई यूज द कलर पिकर टूल. सी आई शो यू हाउ टू यूज अ कलर पिकर टूल. देखो सबसे पहले ये है कलर पिकर टूल. इसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे. क्लिक ऑन दैट. जो भी कलर आपको कॉपी करना है वो कलर पे जाके ऐसे क्लिक करो. तो देखो यहाँ पे पर्पल कलर आ गया. फिर फिल कलर चूज करेंगे एंड आई विल क्लिक ऑन दिस. So this is how you copy paste a color, right? I'll show you once again. Let us see. Suppose let us draw one shape. I'm drawing one shape. I'll draw one triangle shape. है ना? अभी यहाँ पे कौन सा color है? See, which color is selected? A black color is selected, right? The black color is selected. Now I want this color, purple color inside this. I don't know from where I got this purple color, right? So what I'll do, I'll copy paste the color. यहाँ से color उठाना है और ट्राइंगल में कलर वो सेम टू सेम डालना है. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई डू, आई चूज द कलर पिकर टूल. अभी देखो यहाँ पे सी, यहाँ पे यू कैन सी ओनली दी ब्लैक कलर. एज सुन एज आई सिलेक्ट द कलर पिकर टूल, यहाँ पे ब्लैक कलर चेंज होके पर्पल हो जाएगा जो मैं कॉपी करूंगी. लेट्स सी कलर पिकर टूल, सिलेक्ट द कलर. सी यहाँ पे ब्लैक था, अभी क्या हो गया, पर्पल हो गया. देन आई विल क्लिक ऑन फिल कलर एंड inside the figure. So this is how you use a color picker tool, right? I hope everyone you understood. Next we have is select tool. From the name itself, नाम पे से ही पता चलता है select tool. That means किसी भी shape को select करने के लिए, right? This is the select tool. Select करो and ऐसे select करो किसी भी shape को, right? Understood? This is how you select the shape. राइट फिर मुझे इसको बड़ा करना है, छोटा करना है. सी आई जस्ट ड्रैग इट. सी ये स्क्वायर बड़ा हो रहा है, दिख रहा है आपको, राइट? सो सिलेक्ट करने के बाद आई कैन मेक सम चेंजेस इनसाइड द शेप्स. सो चेंजेस करने के लिए सबसे पहले इमेज को सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो टू सिलेक्ट द इमेज यू हैव द सिलेक्ट टूल, राइट? सी आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. सिलेक्ट टूल, आई विल सिलेक्ट द ट्राइंगल. फिर यहां से मैं क्या करूंगी, आई विल चेंज. सी Understood? So this is the use of select tool. Understood everyone? Okay. Next we have is text tool. Text, that means anything which is written, whether it is your number or alphabets, जो भी लिखा हुआ होता है, लिखावट, you call it लिखावट, that is called your text. Suppose you want to write your name inside this MS Paint. तो यहाँ पे तो हमें सिर्फ कलर्स और शेप्स ही दिखाई दे रहे हैं. बट व्हाट इफ यू वांट टू राइट समथिंग? इफ वी वांट टू राइट समथिंग, वी हैव अ टूल दैट इज टेक्स्ट टूल. सी हियर, ए इज रिटन, राइट? दिस ए इज योर टेक्स्ट टूल. ए को सिलेक्ट करेंगे और यहाँ पे जैसे हम लोग शेप्स ड्रॉ करते हैं ना, वैसे यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे लाइक दिस. जस्ट ड्रैग एंड leave it. As soon as you leave it, cursor आ जाएगा automatically. I'll show you. आ गया cursor, right? Now simply write whatever you want. Suppose I am writing hello, how are you, right? This is how you write. Okay, suppose मुझे color change करना है, I can change the color. Before changing the color, जिसको भी change करना है select करेंगे पहले. Select the whole text and click on the color. See, done. You can even change the handwriting also, right? These handwritings are called fonts, right? Handwriting को font बोलते हैं computer में. So these are your font styles. See, font family. So you can change. देखो change हो रहा है font, handwriting change हो रहा है like this. जो भी handwritings हमें चाहिए हम यहाँ से ले सकते हैं like this. See, even you can change the color as I showed you like this. Even you can change the size of the text like this. This is the size of the text. अभी 100 है. I'll change it to 48. देखो change हो रहा है, right? I can even change the style, font style. That is bold, italic, underline. See? Understood? Once you have done the changes, click somewhere out of the box and see, लिखा हुआ आ गया. Right? So this is the use of the text tool. Right? So today what did we study? We studied pentagon tool. Right? Then we studied color picker tool. Then we studied select tool and text tool. Right? The next more tools like magnifier tool, copying and pasting, rotating a picture, resizing a picture, will be doing it in the next class, right? I hope you all understood these tools. Will continue the other in the next class, okay?